All right, here we go. Continuation. We're continuing what we got to do. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Come on, let's do this. Let's go. All right, here we go. Mr. Crow, the head groundskeeper at High Tech Middle School. He mows the lawn along the side of the gym. The lawn is rectangular. There's your lawn. The length is 5 feet more than twice the width. The length, 5 feet more than twice the width. Twice the width. The perimeter is 250 feet. Right there. Alright, it says define a variable and write an equation for this problem. Alright, so we're going to define a variable. Well, here's A. Well, usually we say X is something, right? So what's X? Well, we only know the length, okay? So X is equal, but what's the length? The length is 5 more than twice the width. Well, we don't know what width is, so I'm going to put that as X. X is the width. It's 5 more than twice the width. So if this is X, what's twice the width? 2X. And if you remember from last year, 7th grade, whoever you had, 5 more twice the width is written 2 times X plus 5, right? So that's my length. 2X plus 5. Yes. So obviously, we need to find X, the width, and we need to plug that into X, the length, 2 times. So what do I need to do? I need to write an equation. Write an equation. Oh, write an equation. Let's go. So the perimeter. So what do we do? So if this is X plus the other X, right? Because perimeter is when we add all the lengths. All right? So plus what? 2X plus 5. Plus what? Yes. Plus, what's this right here? What's 2X plus 5? So what do I do? All the rectangular lawn, 250. Right? You could have written it 2 times X plus 2 times 2X plus 5. Right? Because you got X's, and you got 2 of them, so 2 times X. And you got 2X plus 5 twice, so 2 times 2X plus 5. That equals. So, what do we do? Go ahead. Algebra. 2X plus distributive property. There you go. Equals 250. 2X plus 4X is 6X plus 10 equals 250. 0 pairs, hey. Hey. So 6X equals, divide by what? 6. And we get X is 40. So 40. So we go back and we plug it in. So my width is 40 feet. And my length is 2 times X. What's X? We found it, which is 40 plus 5. So 2 times 40 is 80 plus 5. And 80 plus 5 is 85. And that's your length. Okay? There you go. There's your length. So your length is 2 times 40 plus 5, right? Plus the 5. So there's your length and the width. So now we have the dimensions, and that will correspond with C. Okay? C says, all right, you got your dimensions. Find the area. All right, so if we get 40 and 85, so the length is, the area is length times width. 40 times 85. And that should equal 3,400 square feet. Okay, there we go. We're done. We're done. That's that one. Did you get it? Pretty easy, right? I know. Here we go. Are we ready for the next one? Next one. Let's go. Here we go. What's the next one? The next one is 93. 93. Oh! Given 2 points. Don't graph. You guys are better than that. No more graphing. Find your equation. What's the slope? All right. And then I also wanted you to find the y-intercept, but the instruction said slope. So once again, and then I want you to find the y-intercept and then your equation. Okay? So what's the slope? xy, xy. M is the change in y over the change of x, which is pick a y. Pick a y. Which one you want to pick? Which y? Anybody? Which one? Cumbia. Alright. Baila. I'll pick 3. Take away. Oh, it's a negative 1, so don't forget the parentheses. So that's 3 plus 1. Right? Which is 4. Now the x. 0. Take away 2. And that's not 2. Please don't say it's 2. Right, negative 2. So in other words, that's negative 2. That's an improper fraction. Improper fraction, there's your slope. So my slope is negative 2. In other words, 0, negative 2. Right? What's your y-intercept? Well, y equals negative 2 times x plus b. Right? Well, we need to find the b. So let's go ahead and pick a point. This one or this one. I would rather choose the one with the 0. Forget this one. 0. So here we go. What's my y? 3. Negative 2 is equal to negative 2 times 0 plus b. Okay? What's negative 2 times 0? 0. So this is 0. So b is 3. So there's my equation. My y-intercept is 3. Oops, sorry. I made a mistake. The slope is negative 2. Sorry, it's not 0, negative 2. Sorry. The y-intercept is 3, which is 0, 3. Right? And what's your equation? Y equals what? Your slope, which is negative 2x plus 3. There you go. We are done. Yeah. We're done. Now we need one more. Which one should we do? Which one? Tell me. Oh. 96. 96. Here we go. Last one. 96. So here we go. Y is equal to negative 4x minus 3. Don't use the graph paper. Where do they intersect? Where do they intersect? Well, we could do which method? The equal value method, right? We could do the equal value method. That's pretty easy. And how do we do the equal value method? Do we know how to do it? Yeah, since they're both equal to y, right? They're both equal to y, we could go ahead and do what? What? OD. Alright, here we go. Ready? Let's equal value method. Take out the y. There you go. There's no distributive property. Let's go for the x's. Zero pair. Wait. I see something happening. Out, out. -3 equals 1. Wait, what happened there? All the x's are gone because I'm looking for the point of intersection, the x comma y. The x is gone, so what is the answer? There is no solution. No, these lines will not meet. Why? Why? Because look, y equals mx plus b, y equals mx plus b. They have the same slope, the same growth. It doesn't matter where they start, the starting point, figure 0, y-intercept. It doesn't matter. If they have the same slope, they're never going to meet. That's it. We're done. They do not intersect because they are no solution. They are parallel. They are parallel lines. Parallel lines. Okay? And that's it. Parallel lines do not intersect. We are done for today's homework. Easy. Here we go. That's it, you guys. I hope you guys got this. We're ready for the test tomorrow. Spread the word. Let people know, hey, Mr. Aranda's homework's up on YouTube. Constantly. No solution. Later.